Welcome everyone to this brand new video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Hero Wars, in which you can get free unlimited emeralds and a free store mod. So what is a free store mod? You should know this is an important thing because you should know what mod you're getting. So a free store mod basically offers you and gives you all the in-app purchases for free, which are normally paid in the normal version of this game. So for example, if you had the normal version of this game and you wanted to buy emeralds, you would have to pay real money for that. But with this modded version, which is called the Hero Wars Plus Plus, the store will offer you the emeralds for free. They will all cost $0. You will not have to pay anything. So this is a great modded version, and the best thing about this modded version is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And the best part about this video is that later in this video I'll be showing you a method through which you will be able to get this modded version of Hero Wars called Hero Wars Plus Plus downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices in a few simple steps. So as you can see, I'm in the store of Hero Wars, and I'm here in the Emerald store. I have like about 104,378 emeralds. And now you can see that there are 6 different packages. Let me just bring my screen back to center. Let me just centralize my screen. So yeah, there you go. So these are the 6 different packages of emeralds, and you can see they're all costing me $0. And since I don't have to pay anything, all I have to do is simply click on the particular package I want to buy. And as soon as, at the instant I click on that package, that particular amount of gems will be transferred to my personal gems, my personal emeralds, yes. So if I, for example, I just clicked on 7,800 emeralds, I got 7,800 emeralds. So look at that. I can just go on to purchase as many emeralds as I want. There's no certain limit of how many emeralds I can purchase in a certain period of time, and there's no cooling down period that I should wait for a while before I can purchase more emeralds, or I should wait till the next day. There's nothing like that. It's all infinite. It entirely depends on how many times you can go on to click on these packages, on these different 6 packages of emeralds. The more you click, the more emeralds you get. So this makes the game a whole lot more interesting, funnier, and easy to play, because by purchasing as many emeralds as you want, you can get all those things that would normally cost you a lot of emeralds in the normal version of this game, for which you'll have to save for a lot of time. But with this modded version, you can just come up to the store and add up to the right amount of emeralds needed to purchase a costly thing, and then go back to wherever you want to purchase it and purchase it. That's how all it is. So it's as simple as I'm showing you it is. All you have to do is simply click on these different packages, and that particular amount of emeralds will be transferred to your personal emeralds. And this makes the game a whole lot more interesting, because you can buy all those crazy things that you would not have been able to buy in the normal version. So what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply close this game for now. This is the Hero Wars Plus Plus, the modded version of Hero Wars. And what I'll be doing, like I just said, I'll be closing it over here now. And I will also delete the game for now, so that I can show you how to install it again. So this is the game icon, Hero Wars Plus Plus, right underneath the home icon. So I'll be deleting this game right now so that I can show you how to install it again. We'll go through the video together. I'll be showing you, and you guys will watch and learn. And by the end of this video, you will be able to download this modded version into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So now that I've deleted the Hero Wars Plus Plus, let's move on to the steps. The first thing you have to do is basically locate and open the settings of your phone and scroll down to step number 1, which is that you have to scroll down to your battery settings, and make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. These are the 2 things that you have to ensure in your, well, it's just the same thing. It's just that you have to ensure, if you're using 2 devices, you have to ensure that your power saving mods are off, because if they're on, your downloading process will be affected and you will not get your contents downloaded. So you should make sure it is off. This is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. And once you have done that, simply proceed to step number 2, which is only for iOS devices, and that is you have to go to your general settings, and inside your general settings you have to look for background app refresh. And inside your background app refresh, you know that there are 3 options. The first one is off, the second one is Wi-Fi, and the third one is Wi-Fi and cellular data. You have to make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else. And this is also important. You have to make sure that you have done this correctly, otherwise your game will not be downloaded. So this is step number 2, which is only for iOS devices. Once you have done this as well, once you're sure that you've done it correctly, simply exit your background app refresh and your general settings and scroll down to your browser settings. So for example, whichever browser you're using, go to that respective browser's settings, and that in the browser settings, go to the privacy and security section, and make sure you unblock all the cookies by disabling the setting saying block all cookies. Because if the cookies have been blocked, your downloading process will again be affected and you will not get the game downloaded. So you have to unblock all the cookies for the browser through which you will be downloading this game. So once you've done that, these are the 3 steps in the settings, and step number 3 is also for both Android and iOS devices. So once that is done, close the settings and hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked. And into the search engine bar of that particular browser, it can be any browser. Into its search engine bar, what you have to type in is called tweaklab.win. Type in tweaklab.win. Once you have typed in tweaklab.win and you click search, you will see that a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you display, and this list contains a lot of crazy things that you might need. And if you can't find anything in the list which is highly unlikely, you can just go on back on top in the search bar and search over there, and you'll be able to find it. But there you go, I just found it. Look, I just found the Hero Wars Plus Plus. It says free unlimited emeralds, all items in store are free, works for Android and iOS. So just sign or not revoked, you can just click in and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button, which is right in the middle of the screen. And remember, there is no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as easy and convenient as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I have fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take a couple of minutes, however not too long. And once the injection process has been finished, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step, which is the final and the easiest step of this method. So I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all. Let me just proceed. So basically, I have to complete 2 offers from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of offers over here, out of which I have to complete 2. And definitely I'll complete the 2 easiest of all the offers. And my first one is going to be, oh yeah, this one. IRL Social Calendar. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. Now they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction in the offer. And I would highly recommend you guys to do the same as well. And once you've done that, simply close your app and return to your app injection page and go on to complete your offer number 2. And for me, it's going to be this one, present. I'll just do this one. It's an easier one. It's a similar kind of an instruction. I have to run it for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction. And remember, once your contents have been downloaded, you immediately delete these extra apps just to optimize your storage. And once you've completed both your instructions and offers, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and you'll notice that your Hero Wars Plus Plus will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps, right underneath the wallet icon. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video. Until then, take care, bye.